Right, let's open the next one. Oh my days. I got a team this season. Right, this one I'm not looking again because looking. What's on? Right, by looking at it I don't see anyone. Let's right, oh, Cam Rodriguez, that's pretty good. Oh, I'm not seeing anyone. Duplicate. Nope. Not the best this pack. But actually, that was alright. Nice. Right, I'm just gonna put these to the club. Right, so see if I can get an inform in these ones. I'm not gonna look again. No, FIFA points. Right, I'm not looking. Is it working? Oh, right, close my eyes. Right. New one. Nope. Right, let me put these items to club. Right, next pack. Final pack. Right, I'm gonna look for this. I don't know. Don't know if I look. Right, I don't know. Not gonna look. No one. Unless... Nope. Well. Team of the season, guys. Wow. I think I'm gonna see how much he is.